I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Alright, I think we're just pretty much not going to call him Mike today. I think we're going to call him Dusty. Hell, that was like, should have been welded shut, but they just filled it full of Bondo.
Yep, welded it, just smeared over it.
Crazy.
All right, so this is what happens when a guy is gone one day. I was gone on Monday. The guys took at it, started ripping things apart. So the proper introduction to this truck is as follows. I am going to be going to the house of Tim, and we are going to be looking at the original truck that was his father's, and we'll be doing the introduction over there. But right now, guys are tearing stuff apart. This whole frame will not be used. We're going back to a stock vehicle. The independent front suspension from a Camaro front clip, out of there. V8, out of there. Automatic transmission, out of there. Basically, out of this whole truck, what we are going to be using is that thing right there. The cab, the doors, and the front fenders. Rear fenders, this one he's going to have the spare tire in it, and everything else he would like to use off of his original pickup truck. So a lot of work cut out for us, but this cab is in the shape that we need it, where the other cab at his home is in rough disrepair. So there you go. We'll do an introduction, but this is coming along very nicely. All right, as you can see, the guys have started a balancing act. Can you say fisheye?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get around. It'll balance right there for a second.
As you can see, we've got the 1954 truck disassembled for the most part of the parts that we're going to be using. The guys got this pushed outside because we have a lot going on inside the shop right now. Got Mike hand grinding some of the pieces, stripping I guess I should say, and the noise in the background is Jeff blasting the cab and the hood. cab is blasted. Back inside. How's tailgate? Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Normally that's beat to shit. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but it's
Well,
not.
it's got needs some attention.
Right, but
Not bad at
Damn.
all, considering it's 70 years old.
right. Well, that's just it. Yeah.
We
And
initially-
you'd almost think that the tailgate would be worse than some of these other
I
panels.
think so. We initially thought maybe it was a repop, but it does not appear to be. It's good quality, heavy steel.
Nice heavy weight. The little dubers, but yeah, no, that's
Yeah, it looks,
promising. For sure.
yeah. Some things have been encouraging and some things have not.
Right?
But
All right, this panel here on the 54 is going to be replaced. As you can see, someone decided to beat the hell out of it, and it is just less expensive to replace it with new versus trying to straighten that out. The inner panel, awesome shape. The rocker panel, awesome shape. This cab corner actually isn't that bad. Seen much worse. Brand new one already here. Now on the other side, this cab corner was in worse shape. Zach already fabricated an inside corner, and the outside corner is ready to go. And this entire rocker was gone. So the previous company just filled it with fiberglass, cut it out, brand new piece already here, right there, ready to go in. And this part right here is going to be fabricated on site, and we are going to order this inside cowl pan for each side because it is in bad shape. So anyway, guys got the doors going really good. They're being very quiet because I asked them to, but they're like, let us get back to work. Thank you. This is the original hood that came with this truck. It was welded. We're not going to be using that. We're actually going to be using, you're good, the original hood from Tim's father's truck. So that is actually in awesome shape. All the parts right over there. We disassembled it. Brand new rear fender. Again, brand new rear fender. However, this is typically not done. We put the spare tire holder in the brand new fender from the old one, and that is because Tim would like an original truck. So that's what it had, that's what it was born with, that's what it's going out of here with. All right, that has been taken out to repair the front, and Zach has the inside cab corners completed. Actually fabricated that, very easily done, and then that will be going in. Headway.